So Sasha, acupuncture is increasingly being used as a therapeutic treatment for a number of different conditions, including back pain, of course, which is one area you specialise in. Perhaps you could tell us a bit more about it.
Yes, certainly. Many people do suffer from back pain at some point in their lives, and the doctors can't always help. In May 2009, there was a lot of publicity both on the television news and in newspapers that NICE, that is the National Institute for Clinical Excellence, were backing and supporting acupuncture as a good therapeutic treatment for backache, even going as far as suggesting that it may eventually be available on the NHS. Now, we haven't reached that stage yet, hence many people are still coming, nevertheless. Now, within acupuncture and traditional Chinese medicine, traditional Chinese acupuncture, we refer to channels of energy or meridians that travel through the body. And there are many points on these channels, and each point has a different function. So when we're treating for backache, we are placing needles into various points, not the same points for every patient. It depends on all of the background, because when a person comes, we take a full case history, not just concentrating on the backache, but also looking at many other factors of health and lifestyle. We put them all together, which gives us a patterns of disharmony, which allows us to make a diagnosis and a treatment plan. So different patients will have different treatment, but there are many points that we will use, and in some cases the needles may be used very quickly, in and out, if we are tonifying. If the situation is one of over energy, then we will leave the needles in for some time and thus reduce the energy. Other possibilities that we use sometimes are cupping, which some people may have heard of, which when there is a stagnation in the energy, this allows us to get the stagnation moving again, which can sometimes really give a lot of relief when somebody's had pain for a long time. Sometimes people have very cold conditions, such as a very cold back, and in those cases we use something called moxa, which is a herb which we burn and it sends heat into the body. And many people do find relief with acupuncture and moxa and cupping when necessary, to give them some relief which they haven't been able to find elsewhere.